So you got your Ultra Smart Level Lock from UTech and you want to know how to do it? Let's put it on. Hey guys, I'm Josh Gross with Gross Tech, and today we're going to be putting on the new Smart Level Lock from UTech. They graciously sent it over for us to try out, and if you look up here you'll see our unboxing of what comes in it, but today we're going to go over how you install it. So once you have it, go ahead and open it up. Yes, we will need to sign up for an account. So fill in your name, your last name, your email address. So we're going to go ahead and sign up. You can do a remember me, sign in. And then it says welcome to Ultraloq. I don't know if you can see this. We just hit add new Ultraloq and we scan for Ultraloq. So now that we are scanned, here is the one. You can make sure that your number matches the number in here. You can set up an admin code if you already have this set up. You just enter this in. It says if this is the first time you ever used it, you don't need one. We're just gonna put in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next. So if you come up, connect to it. It lights up when you see it connect. Unlock. And there you go. And you're in. And the nice thing is that it automatically locks again. So I haven't done anything, but it is locked. Now one cool setting here, we'll shut this, we'll see how it actually works. It's a knock to open. If you turn it on, it tells you about, it needs to know your location. It uses the Bluetooth of your phone. We'll say always allow. And you can knock 4 times within a second. So we have to put this in our pocket, and if we walk up to it, okay, so that's cool. Will it lock? Okay, so it automatically still locks every single time. So what you do is your phone's in your pocket, you hear it beep, there you go. Okay, so we need to add a new user. If we hold this for 3, 1, 2, 3, it'll beep. If we put in the admin code that we set up earlier, enter. If we want to add a user, we hit number 1, enter. Set up a PIN number, so we'll just say 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, hit enter. Now I'm going to use the finger code and hit enter again and hit enter again, and we're all set. So now if we go ahead and get it, put our hand on here, there we go, all set up for another user. So you can do other things besides just adding a normal user. It just depends on which ones you use. Number 1 is for adding a user. You can delete a user with number 2. 3 is a passage mode. We'll talk about that later. 4, lockout mode. 8 is clear admin, 7 is add an admin, and so you just pick whichever one you want to do at the time. Okay, so passage mode, which is number 3, will allow the door to stay unlocked for a certain amount of time, as long as you really want it to be. So to enable this, we will open it up here. We will hold this for 3 seconds till it beeps. We will put in the admin code, enter, press number 3 now, and press enter. And now it is always unlocked. So that way, if you are having, a party or something like that, you can keep this unlocked and you don't have to worry about, let's turn the screen off, and you don't have to worry about somebody having to have an access code to get in. Now, you have to remember to disable this, and to do that, again, hit the enter button, hold it for 3 until it beeps, put in the admin code, enter, hit 3 again, which will turn it off, and enter, and now it is off. So it's a pretty nice, handy way to be able to do it without having to have everybody have a key or a PIN code. Option 4 is lockout mode, so let's open that back up. Number 4 is lockout mode, and what that is that it only allows the mechanical key to be used. All electronic, the keypad, the fingerprint, your cell phone, all of that is locked out, and you have to use the key. So that's how you guys install the Ultraloq from UTech. It's pretty awesome and amazing what's available now to be able to use as a smart lock. Be able to use Bluetooth, be able to do fingerprint right on a lock. The codes have been around for a while, but it's still pretty awesome to be able to see all that all bundled together in one solid lock. And like they said, you don't have to do this on your front door or your back door. It could be on a gun room, it could be on your shed, it could be on any kind of door that you really want to just have locked out, to be able to give anybody access by just adding them in your users, and it makes it very simple and easy to use. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like what you saw, please hit the subscribe button. Hit that like button if you got some value. So make sure you read the description box down below. It'll give you my affiliate link for finding out what the most up-to-date pricing is for the Ultraloq. Also down there is UTech's website. You can go on there, make sure you do, because they've got so many different types of locks available, ones that are smart, ones that are not as smart, some that have fingerprint scanners. This one is just an all-in-one, has everything. The other ones, you're able to just buy locks. They've got tons of things over at their website, so make sure you go there and check them out. Also, if you haven't seen the unboxing of this Ultraloq, make sure you click up here and you will be able to see that video itself and see what all comes with it. Again, thank you so much for watching. I'm Josh Gross for Gross Tech. God bless and have a great week.